Let's sign up for a free account at Cronometer. So open up your browser and go to cronometer.com. So that's CRONOMETER.com. So once you're there, you can click the sign up. It's free or equivalent to whatever it is at the time. And then you're going to need to put in an email address and password, and the password again. And then your body type has to do with seeing how many calories you burn in activities or just being alive. So you want to put that in. You don't have to use your exact birthday. You can leave it at January 1st or whatever, but you want to do a similar year. And then you're going to do your height, and it will transfer it over to centimeters automatically. And your weight. Your weight will change over time, so you can change that later in your settings. And then in terms of the terms of service and privacy settings, you want to at least check the I agree to Cronometer.com terms of service in order to be able to create an account. But you can check out all these links and decide what exactly you want to do there. Also, keep in mind that your password needs to be at least 12 characters. Ask me how I know. Okay. And let's create our account. So now they sent a verification email, so we need to switch over to our email. I need to refresh my email. Okay, so here's the email: account activation from Cronometer support. And this is, well, I've blocked the images, but this is the content. And it has this button to validate. You can either click it directly or copy the link, which is what I'm doing, so that I can go back into the other browser that I was using for that. And I'm going to paste that link in here. And so then now it says thank you, please continue. So I'm going to continue. And now we are in our new Cronometer account. And yes, there are ads because it's free. Now, if the ads really bother you, you can straight off go and change to a paid account to get rid of ads. And there's learn more links right there to check that out. Next, we're going to do a little short tour and set up a few things.